Hey guys, so we're making General Toast cauliflower and General Toast chicken. So I guess you could just watch.
Are you showing them? Okay, we have breadcrumbs. Our mixed batter already.
Homemade breadcrumbs. First of all, let's just say that.
I'm doing cauliflower, of course, because I'm fasting.
And I'm doing chicken, of course, because I'm fat.
And we have a bunch of seasonings here, which we'll walk you through when we get to that part, because we're not ready for that. But basically what I did was I seasoned my batter. I'm getting ready to dip, because what y'all don't know is behind us is the frying pan warming up, because I'm going to fry them quickly instead of baking them, which you can either bake or do. And she's going to season her chicken, because she didn't do that off camera like I don't know.
Before you cook, I just need some salt.
So I drizzle them around, and as you can see, I'm drizzling the cauliflower florets around and the sauce before I, okay, my pan is not hot yet. And so when my grease gets hot, I'm gonna flash fry these for like 1 minute. To be honest, the only reason I am frying them at all is because you have to kind of cook the batter. That's it. As she said, this is a homemade breadcrumb batter.
On the beat.
So now that my grease is hot, I'm just going to be transferring my already done pieces over to the grease.
Don't go to jail.
What happened last night? You're something about Miss Watson's going to be right home. But you didn't? You never got anything?
I don't remember.
This is the cauliflower, and this is the actual chicken. Bomb. Period. This is done, huh?
These chicken pieces should be done.
All right. We're making the sauce now. Got that soy sauce?
Yeah.
Burn. It's supposed to look like Indian.
No, I'll leave it in mine.
I love it, of course.
Sesame oil.
What's your Shire sauce?
I just thought I watched Shire over here.
Little veggies.
Garlic.
Dice is on the beat.
It's already starting to. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, take a sip.
Bubbling, boiling. I'm gonna put a little.
This is what it should look like, y'all.
Put some flour. Stir. The cornstarch.
And this is what will cause it to thicken up and turn into what we want it to be. Slash what we need it to be. And now we're gonna mix this like so. What am I?
This is a little vegan.
And this is chickpea flour. I'm just gonna mix that in until we get the consistency that we would like.
Super thick consistency, because then we're gonna pour our vegetable broth on it. And then we'll do the rest. And we let it simmer for like 15-20 minutes. After you mix this powder in really good, I don't think you have the camera on anything but the stove.
Yeah, I know, I got this, I got it right here.
It's already a great color, as you can see.
Now we need it to be a thick consistency. This is the vegan one.
Well,
All is the same thing. And now we're going to take our vegetable broth and pour some of our vegetable broth in it.
and let it cook down some.
Exactly. And then mix it. And then we're going to see y'all back once this is all finished.
You need some more.
I should have put some hot sauce in mine. Is it good? Yeah, I'm trying to make sure it's evenly distributed. Now pour it in. Want to try it? Yeah. No, put it in here. It's good. What is this stuff? We got the General Toast chicken.
So it's time to eat. Is it time to eat? We got rice.
One more rice in the microwave.
Oh yeah.
The longer you let this sauce sit, the thicker it becomes. So just be mindful.
You're here.
Period.
Gangsters on the beat.
Flour.
Okay, don't
turn off the camera.
Now that those three. No. Not here.
And we'll be back as soon as we finish everything.
Alright guys, this is the finishing product. General Tso chicken. General Tso chicken with rice, sesame seeds. And then she's almost finished her plating for her cauliflower. I can show y'all the process. Rena, how was it on a scale of 1 to 10?
Easy. Good.
No, I don't need anything from you.
Gangsters on the beat.
That's my plating.
What if you're giving a piece of information about yourself?
Okay, the cauliflower is finished.
Tell me something that totally changed the way you perceive
Super
yourself
healthy,
the rest of your life.
vegan. And then the chicken. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching. Period.